Hi, Kelly here. I have a carrot, an egg, and some coffee beans. We're going to talk about how we can use these to learn a lesson. If we have the boiling water and we add carrot to it, an egg, and a coffee bean, I'm wondering how they all might respond to the exact same event, which is boiling water. Life is a little bit like boiling water. When rough days happen, how do we respond to it will determine the outcome. A little bit like looking at snow outside. Some people get super excited, and some people may look at the snow and hate it. Some people will throw their coats on and go have a great day, and some people will complain about it. So when we look at this boiling water, and we look at what the boiling water does to the carrot versus the egg, versus the coffee bean. While we wait to see what the water does to the carrot, the egg, and the coffee, let's think about this. In life, so often we think that the event, whatever has happened, creates the outcome. But truly, it's the event, how we respond to it, that creates the outcome. Because if it was only the event, we would all have the exact same outcome. Much like the snow, we would all be happy or we would all be miserable. It's not the snow that makes us happy or miserable. It's how we respond to it. It's not the event of somebody leaving us out, making us feel lonely. It's how we respond to it. Do we invite a different friend to come over and play? Or do we spend lots of time talking bad about our friend? How do we respond to an event will create our outcome. And in a moment here, we're going to pull out the egg, the carrot, and look at what happens to coffee when we add the exact same thing to it. So the egg and the carrot and the coffee have had time to boil a bit, and let's look at this. The egg I pulled out, and the carrot fell apart. And if we look at this carrot, it's pretty mushy. It's pretty weak. And sometimes when we have hard times, like we'll call that our boiling waters, our hard times, we fall apart. We let people walk all over us. Usually leaves us feeling pretty rotten on the inside. Now sometimes we can end up becoming hardened and angry and bitter. But what if we viewed it differently? What if we viewed it as a time, an opportunity time, rather than a time to feel either threatened or bitter and angry? Let's look at what happens to coffee when we add hot water to it. So coffee, and I know kids don't love coffee, but coffee does something remarkable in hot water. It takes the rough event and it doesn't shy from it. It allows it to seep in and learn everything it can from the moment. It doesn't remove the water. It allows it to become something richer, something fragrant. So I'm wondering, with our difficult moments in life, if we could think about being a coffee bean, taking an opportunity, taking rough moments, and asking ourselves, how can I grow from this? How can I learn from this moment? What is this moment here to teach me? Maybe this is here for me and not something that is happening to me. And so when life plays rough with us, maybe we could sit back and learn from it.